Painted outdoor furniture is a brilliant way of adding a burst of colour into any garden. Now with this bench, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to renew it in 2 steps, Mark.
Sure.
Firstly, we're going to
put an undercoat on.
Very good. And secondly, we're going to add a beautiful splash of colour.
Now before we start painting, usual preparation applies. Don't forget to give the paint a good mix. Wash out your roller before you use it and spin out all the excess moisture. Your brushes should be lubricated and moist as well. Spin out the excess moisture out of them. We're good to go.
We're applying the undercoat to the bench for 2 reasons. 1, to make sure that you're sealing in the tannins and the wood stain so it doesn't seep through. And 2, to give your top coat better coverage. The paint also flows better over an undercoated surface.
Our undercoat is all dry and ready to go, and now it's time to get some colour on this bench. And the colour that we're going for is this beautiful citrus punch. It's just a gorgeous, happy spring colour, and it's really going to add some vibrancy to the garden.
You know, Leah, the great thing about these little detail brushes and that Smart Lock Mini Roller, things like this bench with all the little nook and crannies, they make it so easy to get in between all the gaps, and they deliver such a beautiful finish. How good?
Just look at how much this bench has lifted this whole deck area. It's beautiful.
Fabulous. And we've renewed it with 2 easy coats, undercoat and top coat.
Looks like I bought one.